we have our first set of awards ready. Amit, go ahead.
That's right. Let's begin with our first set of awards, the Victor Awards, sponsored by SR Jain and Associates to recognize and commend individuals who have exemplified the strength and courage it takes to fight cancer.
Being a victor is about coming back stronger, more positive, and more determined after the fight. And we are thrilled to be among three truly heroic victors today.
And the first award is Miss Renu Saigal, an architect by profession. In 1996, was detected with the hairy called cell leukemia, which she survived. Her sister Neelu started Sahitya Cancer Sahyog, a support group in Chandigarh. She was detected with cancer, but it was at a very late stage. And also Renuji's husband was detected of oral cancer and he couldn't survive. Renuji believes that life never stops and you have to accept and deal with all the courage you have.
Well, I am Renu Sehgal. I am an architect by profession. So in 1996, I went through a very bad experience. I had blood cancer in 1996. I was having low fever and symptoms were very atypical. Nobody could make out what is wrong, but I was feeling very weak. So I went to the hospital and they diagnosed hairy cell leukemia, which is a very rare disease at that time. So they gave us, I was very scared at that time because I am a very delicate person and I'm scared of injections and doctors. And so I was rather, not anymore. So with the help of my husband, he gave me courage. My sisters, my family, my doctors, they all stood by me and I got my bone marrow done, which is supposed to be very painful, but it was not for me. I didn't feel any pain. And then treatment started. Treatment was 1.5 years long and daily injections, which were very expensive. And they were not available in India at that time. So we went through a very bad time financially and for information also. We couldn't get any information about what are the side effects of the medicine. And because we couldn't find any other patient of hairy cell leukemia, in those days there was no support groups, not in Chandigarh. So we rang up Vandana Gupta in Bombay, and my younger sisters, they found out that there were patients of hairy cell leukemia, which were doing good. So that was half of the stress was gone. And financially also we approached the government and we fought in the court that for cancer treatment, OPD reimbursement should also be given. And I won the case. So many other patients, they took the judgment from me for reference. During that time, we thought that we are upper middle class, and for us, it is difficult to arrange finances. What would be the plight of poor people? So my younger sister, my family, friends, we thought of on the lines of We Care, we thought of making a support group in Chandigarh, which will give information and counseling to the patients. They will talk to the patients. And we started sitting in the hospital. But when we saw a mother without medicine for a child, how can you counsel if medicine is not available? Counseling is of no use. So we started collecting money from people by our own resources. There were very few volunteers. We used to go from shop to shop. My younger sister, Neelu Tulli, she was the founder president. And 5-6 other founder members, they started this and named the society as Sahayata Charitable Welfare Society. And it was registered on 23rd May 1997. Gradually, I felt better and I started taking part in Sahayata activities also. And by some divine design, it grew into very, very fruitful. It has been a very fruitful experience. And after cancer, I have come out of my shell. I express more better in a more better way, and I take part in many activities. And after cancer, I was promoted. In spite of that, I was promoted as chief architect of Chandigarh. And for 4 years, I did my duty. As per me, I did very well. And with WeCare, our association is very, very strong, and foundation is with the WeCare only, because I went to Bombay when I was not well and talked to Vandana, and we took some advice, and we follow their traditions. Like in Survivors Day, we give Jeevan Shakti Award, and we start with the Itni Shakti Hame Dena Mata, and we end with Hum Honge Kamyab. So WeCare has been like a path showing to us, and WeCare is doing very good work. And future plans for Sahayata are, we want to help maximum patients with medicines, counseling, etc. But I also want to do the advocacy with government for the rights of cancer patients. So more facilities, research, and more medicines and cure should be found. So, and I'm very thankful to WeCare for giving me this Victor Award, and I'll cherish this always.
Let's have a round of applause for Ms. Renu Saigal and her wonderful story. Thank you for sharing that with us.